from the Scott County Public Library in Georgetown, Kentucky. Welcome to our National Bird Day programming. January 5th is National Bird Day, and on this day we celebrate our beautiful feathered friends. So today I'm going to show you a very easy do-it-yourself bird feeder. Let's go inside and let's make some bird feeders. So we'll be making cookie cutter bird feeders. It's relatively a family-friendly craft, so if you want to get your whole family in on this, it makes for a fun project. So you will need bird seed. This is just wild bird seed. You're going to need, when it's time, some boiling water, twine or ribbon. I'll be using ribbon today. Just these plain unflavored gelatins. You'll need 2 packs of these plain unflavored gelatins. And then you can have festive cookie cutters. I'm using these like, holiday and Christmas kind of cookie cutters, but you can use whatever you would like. Just make them fun. And we're also going to get straws, plastic straws, and they need to be cut in roughly like 2-inch pieces. So that's all we need for the bird feeder craft. I'll talk you step by step on how we're going to make them. So the first thing we'll do is empty the 2 packets of the plain gelatin in a large mixing bowl. And then we're going to carefully pour boiling water into the gelatin mixture, and you stir that until it's dissolved. Then we'll pour bird seed into the gelatin mixture. Then we will press the seed down into the cookie cutting molds on a tray. And we'll insert the straws into the filled cookie cutters at the top, because when you remove the straws, that's where a hole is going to be where you will string your twine or your ribbon. So you're going to press the birdseed mixture firmly to ensure everything stays tight. And then when all that's done, we're going to put the tray with the cookie cutters and the birdseed mixture inside it into the fridge, and it will set for a couple of hours. And then you just remove the tray from the refrigerator, remove the birdseed shapes from the cutters. These shapes will be hardened by then. We'll take out the straws, they'll have the little holes in there, and you will just wrap the twine through a string, and you're ready to go with your cookie cutter bird feeders. Now I'm going to give some to our chickens, but these are wonderful for wild birds, so I'll also string some up on our tree outside for wild birds. Alright, so I've already poured the 2 packets of the unflavored gelatin in this mixing bowl. And now, if you are doing this with kids, this is one step you should do on your own. This is the boiling water. I'm just going to add, it's about 1.5 cups. I'm going to add this in here. And I'm just going to start mixing because we need this gelatin to get dissolved. And once I feel like this is dissolved, I'm going to pour the bird seed into this mixture. Sit just for a moment, and then we'll continue on to our next step. Alright, so I've already filled 3 of my cookie cutters. Just so you know, it ended up being about around 4 cups of bird seed into the gelatin and water mixture. So let me finish these last 2 here. Just pour it in. It's going to be a little messy, but that's okay. Messy's fun. And then after you get it in, here, you're just going to press down. You can press down either with a spoon or with your hands or both. Get a little bit more seeds in this one. Alright, now 1 left. Alright, almost. This gingerbread shape is difficult. A little bit more. Alright, so now I'm going to put the straws in. These straws are going to go near the top of your shape. And this is what's going to leave the circle when we remove them, so then we have a place to tie our string into them. I also I put wax paper on the bottom of my tray as well. All right, now I'm going to put the whole tray in the fridge for a couple hours until it sets. So, pop them in your fridge, watch a holiday movie, and then come back to your bird feeders. All right, so after sitting in the refrigerator for a few hours, these are what some of our delicious bird feeders look like. There is something I learned, and I forgot to mention this while we're making these. It helps if before you put these guys in their mold, you spray some nonstick pan liner around the cookie cutters. That just helps push them out a little bit easier. I didn't do that this time, but I'll do it next time. So here they are. It seems like birds like them and dogs like them too, I guess. So I'm gonna put this one up here. Hopefully it stays. And I'll do that, and I'll give some to my chickens. But thank you for joining me. Again, happy National Bird Day. This is Stephanie from the Scott County Public Library in Georgetown, Kentucky. Also, if you like do-it-yourself videos, we have a lot from different library staff members on our YouTube channel, so check those out too. I'll see you next time. Bye!